Hey y'all, Jules here. In this video, I'm going to talk about growing super chilies from Papa Joe's. So this is a super chili. You can get here and close. So typically they're smaller, shorter than a cayenne. These are grown in containers, and that was started by Papa Joe's, which claims to be naturally grown. So you can see there are some that are a little fatter. I guess it's just a substitute for a cayenne. And we have some cayenne as well, but today's video is on the super chili. And we have 4 of them, all in containers, which means takes a bit of watering. So if you don't have one of these drop wands, I highly recommend it. You see that the pressure's not as tight as much, and it drops a lot of water quickly. And you do want to make sure you keep these containers nice and moist. See, it seems like it's kind of standing there, but it's soaking in quite well. Already starting to drain out the bottom. So even water, of course, never too dry, never absolutely swampy either. So what are we doing with the super chili? Well, obviously you can just take them one at a time, put them in a stew, put them in chilies, what have you, soup, or you can crush them up. And so this is our first red chili powder of the year. There will be much more of this coming because of these 4 plants and our cayenne peppers, which are over there in the pepper patch. Well, there you go. I'll leave more information down in the description box about this pepper.